Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to find and use sound equalizer on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app. Now from here, scroll down and tap on sounds and vibration. Now from here, scroll down and tap on sound effects. Now from here, tap on graphic equalizer. Now from here, you can check each sound profile and select the sound profile you like. Or you can tap on custom and create your custom sound profile, just like that. And this is how you can find and use sound equalizer on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.